This is insane. I mean, Bobi Wine entered Arua like a king. You see, there has been a narrative that Bobi Wine is just a musician. Yes, I mean, it is just common sense that Bobi Wine is a musician. And by the fact that he's a musician, it is just common sense that people will follow him wherever he will be going. And in fact, people have been paying to just see him perform. But as we talk now, they are watching him for free. But that's not the reason as to why I'm here right now. Bobi Wine, apart from just being a musician, is somebody who is good enough at commanding crowds. His interest in Arua makes a lot of sense. And I think whoever was looking at Bobi Wine as just an artist who is pulling crowds as an artist should rethink his idea. Because much as he's an artist, he is also a party president. Apart from that, he's also a presidential candidate and a flag bearer for the National Unity Platform. The way he entered in Arua and the crowds he pulled in Arua, putting in mind the crowds he has been pulling in all the other cities and the districts, municipalities and small towns, it is evident that he is not as weak as people have been portraying him. His interest in Arua is very tremendous. I mean, you cannot describe it. The guy has shown muscle. Because you have to remember that in Arua, it's where all this thing started. In the by-election in Arua, where Kassiano Wadri won that election, by then, the birth of the People Power movement and everything started right from there. Let's watch these videos. I'll show you the videos in Arua and also the videos in other areas. It is evident that the guy is having muscle. And if you do not acknowledge it at the moment, I'm not sure whether you even have a mind of acknowledging it any other time. I'm not saying that he's going to win. Yeah, I'm not saying that he's going to win the presidency this time round. But he has pulled crowds. That's what I'm going to acknowledge him for. The issue of winning or losing is a topic of another day. But for now, let's accept that the guy is strong. Yes, the guy is strong. If you do not acknowledge that, then I don't blame you. Please just stay put. Let's see these videos. After we have seen the videos, I'll say something more that I want to add.
President atuuka naye newe nsumi nga tosobola kumulaba naye woolaba fulaga waali oyo akutte fulaga yoyo yoyo gwolabe wali fulaga yoyo abaana ba Arua mu kibi bakukubye ekimmooni kyokka kubo likyajjudde emabega eri yonna lengera namungi w'omuntu abaana ba Arua twakugambye site ayina ogiyingira n'abagambye pulezidenti watayingira site ŋŋenda kudda e Kampala mbifeemu agiyingidde njogera na muntu w'omuntu abaana ba Arua twakugambye site ayina ogiyingira n'abagambye President watayingira site ngenda kudda e Kampala mbifeemu agiyingidde. Abasinga obungi ku bano engato tebazirina waba alinako emu eri olugirinyako n'esigala emabega balekandeke kasita engato eyo bagirinyako n'esigala emabega olekandeke w'oyimirira ogironda oyinza okukasuulamu akaba. Abantu bangi abaana ba Mariya bamwagaliza emirembe n'akabonero ak'omusaalaba. Wano ku Christ the King abasista bavuddeyo munange ne bamwagaliza emirembe n'akabonero mu bbanga.
What you have just seen is Arua. Now, we have not seen all the other towns because most of us on social media have been seeing these things on TikTok, on Facebook, on WhatsApp. But I have compiled these videos for you, just for you to make a decision. I'm not saying that you make a decision to vote for Bobi Wine. No, I'm not campaigning for him, and neither do I have any intention of campaigning for him. But I want you to look at these videos, look at these crowds, and make a personal judgment and make a decision whether to you think Bobi Wine is strong or not. But yes, the guy is loved by people. Yes, as a musician, but also some love him as a presidential candidate. Let's watch these videos as well.
Akkiriza ayite munda. Nkugambye basiibye basuze bakuba pulaani. Abantu mangi mu maaso gye tubadde tulaga bali mu kuvaayo badduka bajja eno batuziza ku kyettaka nateera. Nkugambye basuze bakuba pulaani nti bw'ayita wano aggukawa, bwe tumukukusa eno tumuzzaawa, bwe tumuzza wano tumuzzaawa. Naye abantu babadde bangi maaso eri poliisi w'eggadde awo. Abantu babadde bayitirivu bali mu kudduka nga bakomawo eno. Temujja muwona, kino kyogedde era kino kibalayirira, temujja muwona. Wallahi byatallahi mbalayirira, temujja muwona.
Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine olunaku olwaleero ayingidde Arua ne Arua City district ye Arua ne Arua City olunaku mpulirizo olwaleero. Teweerabira ebimu ku byakula Kyagulanyi kaali kalulu ak'omwaka 2010 ak'omwaka 2018 kaali kakuddamu okulonda sayidi eyo mu Arua okakkana nga Kyagulanyi ebyaliyo mu bijjukira bulungi, okakkana nga afiiriddwa dereeva we, okakkana nga bamukutte, okakkana nga bamusanze n'emmundu. Of course security yaziraga nti yamusanga n'emmundu mu lwomu mwe yali asuze zaalagawa simanyi, omusango gwaggwa gutya sera simanyi. Naye nga byonna bwe twali tubabuulira wano okunoonyereza okwakolebwa gye buvuddeko nga banoonyereza ku bimu ku byafuula Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu kyali olwaleero yali Arua fracas.